Welcome to the retreat at Carolina Ridge, a thoughtfully designed neighborhood within the larger Carolina Ridge master plan community spanning over 670 acres and includes 1,110 total home sites in Midland, North Carolina. The retreat at Carolina Ridge features 613 home sites, creating a place where young families can plant roots, established households can grow, and those building their legacy can all share in the same vibrant neighborhood. Just outside Charlotte in the rolling hills of Cabarrus County, this is where nature and neighborhood come together and where every stage of life can truly feel at home.
Hi, I'm Scott Herr, Division President for Pulte Homes here in Charlotte, North Carolina. The retreat at Carolina Ridge is part of a thoughtfully designed, master-planned community that brings tree-lined streets, preserved green spaces, abundant on-site amenities, and beautifully designed homes. From the earliest planning stages, our focus has been on creating a community that balances everyday convenience with classic Carolina charm, enhanced by a collection of lifestyle amenities designed to encourage connection, recreation, and outdoor living for residents of all ages.
I'm Kelly Sides, Vice President of Sales for Pulte Homes in Charlotte. Location matters. At the retreat at Carolina Ridge, you're nestled in a scenic, serene setting while still being just a short drive from the university area and Charlotte's major employment hubs, shopping, dining, and healthcare. Residents are minutes from everyday conveniences, including shopping centers with Publix, Target, Lowe's, Walmart, Chick-fil-A, and more, as well as nearby Novant Health and Atrium Health facilities. Outdoor enthusiasts will also appreciate being close to Reedy Creek Nature Preserve and Sherman Branch Nature Preserve, offering miles of trails, natural beauty, and opportunities to enjoy the outdoors. With easy access to Charlotte Douglas International Airport, travel and connectivity are always within reach. You'll enjoy the peaceful feel of Cabarrus County without giving up the access and energy of the city. And here, life doesn't stop at your doorstep. It begins right outside it. The retreat at Carolina Ridge is designed with a robust suite of amenities that bring families together and make everyday living feel like a getaway. The community's thoughtfully planned spaces include a resort-style pool and splash pad, perfect for year-round fun, a clubhouse with pickleball courts and an interactive playground with a zip line where neighbors can gather and play, scenic walking trails weaving throughout the neighborhood, a dog park where pets can roam and make friends, and covered outdoor seating and multi-purpose recreation areas that invite connection and relaxation. These amenities were selected to support active, engaged living for residents of all ages and help foster memories that span generations. Here, neighbors can come together for impromptu get-togethers, kids can ride their bikes along the sidewalk, and families can enjoy all the benefits of a connected, welcoming community.
Hi, I'm Jill Gadd, Community Manager at the retreat at Carolina Ridge. Here, you can choose from 3 distinct home collections, offering 15 thoughtfully designed, 2-story, single-family floor plans, offering a range of layouts and lifestyles to meet your needs. From flexible living spaces to open concept designs, our homes are meant to grow with you. Depending on the floor plan, home buyers can select from curated design packages or work one-on-one with our local design center to personalize their home from the ground up. One of the best parts of the journey is seeing your vision come to life, creating spaces that support the way your family lives, works, plays, and relaxes every day. Whether you're dreaming of a gourmet kitchen, a versatile loft, a sunroom filled with natural light, or enhancing your outdoor living with a screened porch, our design options allow you to create a home that truly reflects who you are.
Hi, I'm Chris Branham, Director of Build Quality at Pulte Homes. At Pulte, we believe a great home starts with a great process. One built on experience, precision, and a deep understanding of how families live today. At the retreat at Carolina Ridge, that philosophy comes to life through timeless home designs with modern touches. Open gathering spaces, thoughtfully designed kitchens, flexible rooms for work or play, and inviting outdoor living areas that support everyday moments and long-term living. Behind every Pulte home is a construction process rooted in quality, consistency, and continuous improvement. With more than 70 years of home building experience, our teams follow rigorous, quality-controlled standards refined through homeowner feedback and real-world performance. From the first foundation pour to the final walkthrough, we focus on craftsmanship, attention to detail, and transparency, so homeowners can feel confident at every stage of the journey. Every home we build is designed to stand the test of time and is backed by an industry-leading warranty, giving homeowners peace of mind long after move-in day. At Pulte, our commitment is simple: to deliver homes that are as functional as they are beautiful, and built with care you can see and trust.
Opening fall 2026, the Retreat at Carolina Ridge is more than just a neighborhood. It's your place to grow, connect, and thrive. To learn more and stay up to date on our progress, join the VIP list at live@carolinaridge.com. Welcome to your retreat. Welcome home.